If you've been dreaming of country living without giving up modern conveniences, this Utah property will steal your heart. Do you want a place where you can enjoy beautiful sunsets, wide open space, and room to breathe, but still be close to shopping, schools, and everything you need? This home gives you the best of both worlds. You'll love the additional RV parking and the convenience of the attached third car garage for even more storage. The backyard is an entertainment's dream with a spacious patio, cozy fire pit, and beautiful views that make every evening feel like a getaway. If you're searching for a home with land, space, views, and a lifestyle that blends peace and convenience, this is the one that you don't want to miss.